So yes, take the backing off. Depends on which brand you got. The plastic, it obviously doesn't want to go through.
Good to know.
Ah, a little different
Well, that's
there.
cool. That's neat.
It's not punching everything out, but that's okay. It's a snowflake.
It's an ugly snowflake.
Ugly snowflake.
That's what we're going for.
That's what we were going for.
That's right. Yeah, there you go.
Clean out the spot. Pick them up. Give them a little bit of details.
I like it.
No right or wrong. It's your cake. It's your creativity.
It's your scrapbooking punch.
It's your scrapbooking punch. Now, the nice thing about this is we can pipe on top of them if we want.
Cool.
Additional details.
More flake to the snowflake.
More luster to the duster. Because the world gets dusted with snowflakes. There it goes. Dumping it out, sticking it up here. Actually, I don't think my cake's ugly. It's just a cake. Fun.
I think it's a great idea. I really do.
Fantastic idea.
I think it's
Very
just
good
fantastic.
idea.
There's so many
And you're
different
not
ways.
just limited to
Yeah.
one holiday. You guys want to see the wafer paper?
Sure. What does that do?
Does the same thing. Cut it out. And see, both pieces of this are usable, but
Yeah.
this has got a little bit of texture to it because it's wafer paper.
Cool. And you think that might?
I think if the frosting is a
Might
little
bleed.
damp, it will absorb into it and disappear. But if it's crusted, I don't think it's going to be bothered by it at all. And you can stick these along the sides if you want. You can stand them up. Additional details. Now, because these are the wafer papers, they just may break down from the buttercream touching it. I love to make things stand out from the cake. On the edge like this.
Cool.
You can do mass production here. Dump them out, put them all in at once.
And where can one pick up this wafer paper of which you speak?
Any of your craft supplies, I'm sorry, cake supplies
Yep.
stores have got wafer paper, really inexpensive.
Can you get it on online stores?
I'm sure you can. See how that adds
Wafer
something to
paper.
the
Neat.
pretty cool. Gives you 3D, 2D, 3D, 2D, 3D.
That's 3D.
Is it 3D?
Mm-hmm.
So the sweater was inspiration for the tree. Not a lot of room for doing a train. Dump that out.
But
But
I think as long as they see the collar,
the collar,
that's what sells it as far as being an
exactly.
ugly sweater.
And then with your frosting sheet, you can cut a piece. Get your edible markers. These are called cake doodlers. Work with the colors you want. Color on your frosting sheet. Make your label however you want it. You can airbrush on top of the frosting sheet to make snowflakes a different color. That's the nice thing about frosting sheets. You don't have to have a printer to use these frosting sheets. They can be used for a lot of things. The food doodlers or the food grade markers are perfect for this. See what I made it say?
Nice. I can see it upside down.
I'm sure you can. Use your knife to pick it up.